Introducing the 2024 Ford Focus ST line, 5D1, 5TD, 115S6 in sleek black. This hatchback boasts a powerful 1.5 litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a comfortable and secure driving experience. With stylish additions like privacy glass and roof rails, the Focus ST line stands out on the road. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty, full multi-point health check, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information.